4 minutes exactly. We are ready for paint. Got all the prep work done. Everything is bone dry and will be drying all night. I used the POR 15 first and second stage cleaner and degreaser and metal prep chemicals. I did not have enough for the tailgate. However, I'm not as concerned about the tailgate. I'll get to that second. Still got to do a little bit of work to the tailgate, obviously, but here is the final product for now. Added some gussets, got all this closed in and protected. That gauge on there will be nice and guarded. Branches or anything hitting that gauge on top shouldn't really affect that. Hopefully, that's my plan. Added some handles. I kind of wanted to add some strength from the A-pillar up to the center. Kind of some sort of crisscrossing. I know it's not all the way across. I know it's not extreme. However, it's something to kind of box it all together. Connect everything a little bit more. So, added some more volume. Speaking of volume, before I added these handles here, hand grabs, I had 4.6 gallons of volume in this tank / cage. Currently, I would imagine, rough estimate, adding those two handles, which actually also pressurize these two, the A-pillars, I guess, just these small pieces here. This is the only tube on the cage right here, this front bar in the windshield section, that is not pressurized and will never be pressurized. Just wasn't worth it. So anyways, adding those 4 pieces, A-pillar, hand grab, A-pillar, that I am assuming added about 0.4 gallons. So I think I have a full 5 gallons of volume of air. End of day 1 of painting. 2 layers of primer, all complete. Barn's at 78 degrees. It's lowered a little bit. It was about 82 earlier. Let the fire burn down a little bit, but I think it's more than dry, more than warm enough. Definitely think that this is going to work. I got enough head height. Believe it or not, that's actually a dog leg in the pole itself. These are some old poles that I was able to acquire, and I built this platform for target practicing. Never thought of using it as a gantry. Things are changing as of today, so this will be a pretty good test. I'll see if this holds while I'm gone. Going to pick up the Jeep. I'll come back, put the Jeep underneath this guy, and actually I guess I gotta lift it up first. Lift it up high enough to where I can put the Jeep underneath it and lower it down. We'll see how this goes. Wow, that's gonna take a minute. 8 seconds. We're up to 1 minute and 38 seconds now. That takes a while. Four minutes exactly. It's madness. Compressor kicked off right 100 psi. I'm cool with that. Now if I shut this valve off right here, now the tank is completely closed off and separated. Now I got blow off valve, 2 ports for hoses, Schrader valve for bleeding down if I want to, and another valve to shut it off.